If you're traveling to Alaska and aren't too sure how to get hooked into the local scene, this is your invitation to be our guest at Orca Lodge. Let's take a look at where you're heading. Orca Lodge is located 150 road miles south of Anchorage on the Kenai Peninsula. Besides its scenery and natural wonders, the Kenai Peninsula is known for its world-class fresh and saltwater fishing. The Kenai Peninsula embodies the best of what Alaska has to offer. To the west is Cook Inlet, to the east the Kenai Mountains and Prince William Sound, and to the south the spectacular Kachemak Bay. Orca Lodge is built on over 500 feet of gorgeous Kenai River frontage, nestled right into the spruce and birch forest. 7 handcrafted log cabins overlook the world-famous Kenai River. From our beautiful setting on the Kenai River, we can coordinate river fishing, halibut charters, wildlife viewing and sightseeing, river rafting, and fly-in fishing. We'll have plenty of time to relax here after a day of adventures, so let's just drop those bags. We'll unpack later. We're going fishing.